Good morning, my dear students. Once again, welcome back to Chemistry Online Classes of Sri Gokulam Public School. In our previous class, we had discussed about two important properties of metal. What are they? Yes, one is malleability. You know that aluminium foils are used to wrap foodstuffs because aluminium is highly malleable metal. Moreover, it won't melt in heat. Another property we had discussed, ductility. Ductility is another advantage of metal. That's why we are used to make electrical wires with metals. Now, we are going to discuss about other two important properties of metals. Are you ready? Yes. Children, you might have noticed metal bell in churches or temples. Can you recall the sound made by the bell? Have you ever seen wooden bell in church or temple? No, you haven't. Can you imagine what will be the reason for we are not keeping wooden bell in that places? The reason is that the things made by metal produce ringing sound when struck hard. Otherwise, if the bell is made by wooden, it can't produce such a noisy sound. Got it? The property of metal to produce ringing sound is called sonorous. Metals are generally sonorous, while non-metals are not sonorous. You can find very good example for sonority in your daily life. Can you imagine any such example? Just compare the sound when a steel plate is dropped and fiber plate is dropped. Which will be more noisy? Yes, definitely it's by steel plate. It because the sonority of metal. Non-metals are generally not sonorous. Just imagine, suppose you have two boxes. One is made by metal, other one is by wood. Both are similar in appearance. How can you identify which one is metal and another one is wood? Yes, we can identify by the property of sonority. Just struck on both boxes, which one produce more sound, that will be metal box. Next we can go through another property of metal. Just look at these things. One is thermocol material, another one is a brass material. Which one looks shiny? Thermocol or brass? Definitely brass is look shiny, while thermocol dull in nature. It's another property of metal. All metal have shiny appearance. This property is called lustrous. All metals are lustrous in nature, while non-metals are dull in nature. Children, some metals lose their shine and appear dull. Can you guess what's the reason? It's because when the metal is exposed to atmosphere, it reacts with the air and moisture present in the atmosphere and become dull. If you want to observe the luster of metal, you have to do one thing. Just cut the metal piece. Then you can observe luster on the freshly cut surface. Otherwise, you just rub it with sandpaper. Then you can observe luster of metals. Now, can you give some example for lustrous material? Yes, definitely all metals are lustrous. So, we can give some example of metals. Copper, aluminium, iron, gold, silver, etc. Then example for dull material. Thermocol, plastic, rubber. So, that's all for today. Today we have discussed two properties of metal. One is sonority of metal. Second one is lustrous of metal. Sonority means the ability of metal to produce ringing sound when struck on it. And lustrous means the shiny appearance of metal. That's why it can reflect the light. As usual, I have attached notes as well as test paper. Don't forget to attend test paper. Attend it sincerely. Have provided URL related with this topic. So, we will meet in the next session. Children, take care. Thank you.